Hi, I'm Bernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have truly an exciting recipe for you. I have the recipe for you for zero carb hamburger buns or rolls, and I'm very excited because they are flourless and it's going to be a completely different recipe. You have to see the video because I'm going to show you something very exciting in keto low carb you can do while making these buns. Let me show you what they look like. Absolutely unbelievable. Like the flour dusting and everything. I want to show you how soft. Yeah, beautiful. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. Okay, so let's begin. In this recipe, we are going to begin with the liquid ingredients first. Half a cup of egg whites, half a cup of room temperature water. You can use any kind of egg whites, carton or fresh. 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. You can also use melted butter. And now we give it a little bit of mix. You don't need to froth up the eggs at all. Just mix it all in. And now we are going to carry on with the liquid ingredients, which is apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of that go in. And now we begin with the other ingredients. We're going to put half a teaspoon of baking soda first and just put that in. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, just a level teaspoon of it, and mix it in. Now when you mix it, this is natural frothing. The apple cider vinegar has reacted with the baking soda. Now we're going to use the star of the show, bamboo fiber. Bamboo fiber has no carbohydrates, like zero. It's pure fiber, but it's very different from psyllium husk. Let me show you what the consistency of it is. We are going to be using half a cup. It's like white flour. So I put that in, half a cup of that, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of allulose sweetener. You can use any sweetener. It'll become a little extra brown with the allulose. So that's up to you. Half a teaspoon of salt and mix that in. Now this won't work like psyllium husk where it's going to absorb a lot of liquid. Bamboo fiber absorbs a bit but not too much. Now we're adding whole psyllium husk. Altogether, I'll have put in 4 tablespoons. Right now, I've put in 3. So then mix it in. So don't worry. If your recipe needs 3 tablespoons or 4, you do it accordingly. It's not going to change the consistency at the texture at the end of the recipe. Now I've added 1 more tablespoon. So altogether, 4 tablespoons. Start giving it a mix and allow the psyllium husk to do the absorption. Now this combination of bamboo fiber and psyllium husk is amazing because it doesn't give you that chewy, gritty taste of psyllium husk. The bamboo fiber really makes the texture of these buns really, really soft. It's absolutely amazing. Please don't miss out on this recipe. And do subscribe to my channel and press the bell. It'll be lovely to do that. Now, here's the magic I wanted to show you. After you've mixed it in, if you feel it needs, just start dusting your dough with bamboo fiber. Again, it won't spoil the end result of your buns. So it's doing its absorption. I'm letting it rest for a bit. Again, I'm dusting it just like you do with white flour. When you put it on a board and you keep dusting white flour, that's the way to use bamboo fiber. It does not spoil the end product. It's absolutely amazing. Now, slowly, I'm bringing it into a dough, and the end result when you have the dough ready should be that you can hold it in your hand and it won't be sticky. Now, after it's rested 10 minutes, see how beautiful. Just for fun, I'm adding another dusting. So this really works like white flour, and you're going to be amazed at the result. And now that we have our dough ready, just look, even that when you poke it, it's a beautiful soft dough. I'm dividing this mixture into 4. You're going to get 4 huge hamburger buns out of this. So if you're making rolls, you can make 8 to 9 out of it. And as you can see, I'm patting them down like a patty and pretty thin. And now you're going to see the magic that I'm going to show you also in the oven, how beautifully they rise. And so I'm going to put all 4 of them onto the cookie sheet. They're ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 45 minutes. Anywhere between 40 to 50 minutes. Now, I just did a sprinkling of sesame seeds. Oh gosh, look at that. That's after 10 minutes and this is after 20 minutes. And now after 45 minutes, they've come out beautifully puffed up. Let me cut one open and show you these amazing buns. They are very brown because of the allulose. If you use another sweetener, they won't be as brown, but they will be brown. Thanks for watching and do try this recipe. Bye then.